Welcome to our tutorial on how to set a static IP address on Windows 10. In this guide, we will walk you through the simple steps to manually configure a static IP address for your Windows 10 computer. Let's get started. Hello there, Windows 10 users. Are you looking to set a static IP address on your Windows 10 computer? Follow these step-by-step instructions to configure it manually. Step 1. To begin, click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 2. From the Start menu, navigate to Settings by clicking on the gear icon. Step 3. Within the Settings window, click on the Network and Internet option. Step 4. In the Network and Internet settings, select either Wi-Fi or Ethernet, depending on your network connection. Step 5. Click on the current network connection you are using. Step 6. Under the IP Settings section, click on the Edit button. Step 7. In the Edit IP Settings window, select the Manual option from the drop-down menu. Step 8. Turn on the IPv4 toggle switch to enable manual configuration. Step 9. Now, set a static IP address that you want to use for your Windows 10 computer. Step 10. Specify the subnet prefix length or subnet mask. For example, if the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, the subnet prefix length in bits is 24. Step 11. Specify the default gateway address, which is the IP address of your router or gateway. Step 12. Specify the preferred DNS address, which is the IP address of your DNS server. Step 13. If applicable, specify an alternate DNS address as well. Step 14. Finally, click on the Save button to apply the changes. Congratulations! You have successfully set a static IP address on your Windows 10 computer. This manual configuration can be useful in situations where you require a specific IP address for your network setup. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of setting a static IP address on Windows 10. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and enjoy the benefits of a manually configured static IP address on your Windows 10 computer.